Hey, it's recording. Where's the oinking face? It sounded better before. It sounded better before. Tim's trying to get attention in Walmart. Chesterfield Walmart, that is. Not ours. We're gonna get kicked out.